Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Mr. Kinswan. I'm Kelvin, and this is my 2020 M2 competition.
Reincarnated, I was stargazing. Life goes on, honey, and her my babies.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. That come my seat. IP ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet.
I started this channel because I wanted to document my journey on modifying this beautiful car with all these aero parts and performance upgrades. My passion towards cars started from a very young age, and ever since then I've been hooked. This car is going to be inspired by a M4 GTS, but based on an M2 competition, since they never made a GTS variant of the BMW M2. So let's run through some modifications I've done to this car, starting from the front. We have this Adro front splitter. And this air duct from Adro as well. And this carbon fiber canard from 3D Design. Let's head on to the side now. We have this carbon fiber fin from M Performance. And these wheels are TWS's with Project Move brake pads, which are very noisy, wrapped in Pilot Sport Cup 2s. This side skirt is also from 3D Design. This mirror cap is from Akrapovic. Coming to the rear now. This wing is from Adro. It's a swan neck wing. And the model is the ATR1. Trunk lip spoiler is from the BMW M2 CS. This diffuser is from 3D Design. And these are the tailpipe from Akrapovic. We have a catback system and a 200 cell downpipe. So when you rev this thing and downshift, it sounds pretty rowdy. We have this Alcantara steering wheel from the M2 CS with this carbon fiber trim piece and these painted M1 and M2 buttons, and these pedals from Pedal House. They are billet aluminum, and this lever from Golden Wrench is also billet aluminum. These seats are the Recaro Podium carbon fiber seats. These save about 20 kilos each. I've recently bought this. It's called a Mochi, and it changes faces and emotions when you drive. The box is right there. Let's head to the engine bay now. This is the beautiful S55 engine from BMW. We have this E-Venturi carbon fiber intake. This is from E-Venturi as well. It's just a carbon fiber engine cover. These charge pipes are known to fail on standard cars, even without tuning, so we upgraded them to the carbon fiber charge pipes. This is the cooler from CSF, and these red billet aluminum caps are from Golden Wrench. Most of the modifications on this car are done at a local shop in Taipei called Hub Auto. They do amazing work, and they have a very fast turnaround time to order parts and installation. Something really cool about this wing is that there's a bracket a carbon fiber bracket underneath here that sandwiches the top of the wing and the bottom together, so it's very, very sturdy, barely any flex. But I think from the rear we might need to remove the M2 CS rear spoiler, because I think right now it looks a little too much. And I forgot to talk about the coilovers. So right now the car is on standard suspension from BMW, mostly because I live in an apartment in Taiwan and I can't really get in and out of my driveway without scraping the hell out of the front splitter. This is my third front splitter. The previous two were from 3D Design. But we have coilovers on the way. It's gonna be here in around a month, because this gap is around 3 fingers and we got to lower that at least until 2 fingers. I think lowered about a centimeter or centimeter and a half to make it look better. So now let's run through some future modifications that I'm really want to do to this car. First is the carbon fiber hood from Alpha N, and the side fenders from Alpha N as well in carbon fiber with the vents right here, and the carbon fiber roof from Alpha N as well, because right now this roof is wrapped in black PPF, and maybe we'll also do a carbon fiber CSL type of trunk to save weight, because on the M2 the trunks are aluminum, but on the M4s they are fiberglass. Coming now back to the interior, we'll definitely do the rear seat delete on this car in the future and put a half cage in there, because right now there's pretty much no access to the back seats right now, so there's no point in leaving the seats in. I also really want to do the Team Shermer carbon fiber door cards. I don't really like the fake leather on this car. Yeah, and that's about it. I have to thank you guys for watching until now. It really means a lot if you guys could subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. This is my passion, and I don't know where I would be without it. I will definitely try to get better at editing, setting up the mics, and filming, because since this is my first time doing it, might not be as fluent. So thank you guys, and peace out.